Hello, in this video I will show you how to change the wallpaper on your Wearfit Pro smartwatch. The first step is to connect the smartwatch to your phone. Turn on the watch and select your language. Scan the QR code on the smartwatch or in the instruction manual and install the application on your phone. Turn on Bluetooth and GPS location on your phone and make sure that your phone has an internet connection. Open the application on your phone and follow the steps shown in this video to connect the smartwatch to your phone. You will need to enter an email address and your country to access the application. Once connected to your phone, the time and date will update automatically on the smartwatch. If you want to receive social media notifications on your smartwatch, you can follow the step shown in the video right now. Once connected, this is how to change the wallpaper on this smartwatch to any picture from your phone. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.